Introducing the 2019 Dodge Challenger. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call